Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a patent with USPTO. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register a patent with the USPTO, start by determining the type of patent you need. You can choose between a utility patent, a design patent, or a plant patent. Ensure your invention is novel, useful, and non-obvious. Conduct a preliminary patent search to check for existing patents similar to yours. You can use the USPTO Patent Full Text and Image database for this step. Once you confirm your invention is unique, prepare your patent application. There are two primary application types, a provisional application and a non-provisional application. A provisional patent application allows you to secure a filing date without a formal patent claim. The non-provisional application requires detailed descriptions, claims, and drawings of your invention. Gather all necessary materials, including a written description, claims, and any relevant drawings. Follow the USPTO guidelines for formatting and content to ensure your application meets all requirements. Visit the USPTO website to create an account and access the electronic filing system. Fill out the application forms carefully to avoid any errors or omissions. Pay the necessary filing fees, which vary depending on the type of patent and the size of your business. Submit your completed application through the USPTO's electronic filing system. After submission, you will receive a filing receipt. The USPTO will assign a patent examiner to review your application. Be prepared to respond to any requests for additional information or amendments. Once your application is approved, you will receive your patent, granting you exclusive rights to your invention. Monitor your patent's status through the USPTO's online system. Keep track of renewal fees and deadlines to maintain your patent's validity. With these steps, you are well on your way to successfully registering a patent with the USPTO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.